If your Ford is shifting rough, hesitating between gears, or taking too long to engage drive or reverse, you're not alone. And the good news is, you might be able to fix it yourself. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car problems simple, fixes easy, and maintenance stress-free. In this video, we're going step by step through how to reset your Ford Transmission Control Module, TCM. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll show you the most effective reset method that many mechanics don't talk about, and one critical mistake that could seriously damage your transmission if you get it wrong. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Basic pedal reset. No tools needed. This is the simplest method and works on many Ford models. Start by putting your vehicle in park. Turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Now, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for about 15 to 20 seconds. While keeping your foot down, turn the ignition off, then release the pedal. Wait at least 2 minutes before starting your vehicle again. Now start the engine and take it for a test drive to see if the shifting improves. If that didn't work, don't worry. We've got more options. Method 2. Battery disconnect reset. This method helps clear stored memory in some Ford systems. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, press and hold the horn for about 30 seconds. This helps drain any remaining electrical power. Leave the battery disconnected for at least 15 minutes. Reconnect the battery, start your vehicle, and let it idle until it reaches normal operating temperature. After that, take it for a drive and check if the issue is resolved. Still not fixed? Time for the most powerful method. Method 3. OBD2 Scanner Reset. Most effective. This is the most complete and reliable way to reset the TCM. Plug your OBD2 scanner into the diagnostic port under the dashboard. Turn the ignition on. From the scanner menu, select your vehicle and navigate to the Transmission or TCM module. Look for an option like Reset TCM or Transmission Relearn. Confirm the reset and let the scanner complete the process. Once done, disconnect the scanner and restart your vehicle. Transmission Relearn process. Very important. After any reset, your transmission needs time to relearn your driving habits. Drive your vehicle until it reaches normal operating temperature. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Then perform smooth, gradual accelerations from a stop, allowing the transmission to shift through all gears. Next, do 3 to 5 gear cycles. Shift from park to drive and drive to reverse, always keeping your foot on the brake. Drive at different speeds, including highway speeds, so the system can adapt to all conditions. For the next 24 to 48 hours, drive normally and avoid aggressive acceleration. The critical mistake you must avoid. Here's the warning you need to remember. Never reset your TCM when the transmission fluid is cold. Always make sure your vehicle is warmed up to normal operating temperature before doing any reset. Skipping this step can lead to improper calibration and potentially serious transmission damage, costing you thousands in repairs. And finally, keep in mind, a TCM reset can fix electronic or adaptive issues, but it won't solve mechanical problems. If your transmission is still acting up after all this, it's best to have it checked by a professional mechanic. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.